Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Arham Tech Lab. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So friends, adab, namaskar, pranam, salam, sat sri akal. So friends, today we are going to learn about a very important service from AWS, which is Amazon Elastic Container Service. So basically nowadays most of the organizations are using these container services, and they deploy their applications on this containerized environment. So basically it will provide a good capability of cloud computing. So I will show you, while I will be demonstrating this. So in today's session, I'm going to discuss how to create an elastic container service, a basic elastic container service. There we will see different functionality, and in our next session I will be demonstrating you guys how you can deploy any application. So I will be giving you an example of Nginx, uh, uh, and and I will also demonstrate you guys how to uh, uh, create different services and how to attach the different tasks into that containers. So let me show you what we are going to discuss and see in our upcoming videos. So ECS, we are going to learn about ECS, different ECS cluster. We will be creating ECS cluster, and then we will be going to learn about different services, and then we will be going to learn about different tasks on this ECS clusters. So friends, let's get started with our hands-on labs. So first of all, you have to log into your AWS cloud. And friends, if you need a special video, if any one of you till now haven't subscribed to Amazon cloud, or haven't got access to this AWS cloud portal, just let me know so that I will create a separate videos how to create your account on AWS cloud, and I will upload on my channel, so that you guys can also do a hands-on labs with me, so that it will enhance your industrial exposure. And if any one of you are still now in colleges or trying to get a new jobs in the cloud world, so that you can directly uh, get hands-on practical lab exposure from my channel, and you can easily grab that opportunity from the market. Okay, so friends, let's get started to creating a elastic container cluster. Okay, so you have to come to this logging into this Amazon portal, Amazon cloud portal, and you have to search here for ECS, elastic container services. Just click on this. It's taking some time. My internet is slow today morning, so sorry about that, friends. Actually, by doing the labs, you will get confidence in yourself, right? That you are having something in your hand. So friends, just if you like my videos or a way of teaching, then please do subscribe, ask your friends to subscribe, and just go through that practical exposure things which I am uploading. It's really taking a lot of time, and friends, I'm very excited to provide you a good content, good more hands-on exposure from this AWS cloud stuff. Yeah. So it's you can see this clusters is now 0. So just go and create on clusters. So basically, Amazon provided us uh, different functionality. You can also maintain your EC2 instances on which your task or your service will be running. And AWS also provides you a serverless kind of infrastructure. So I will seeing all those kind of services, all those kind of functionality and features of ECS clusters while we will be proceeding ahead. Okay, friends. So you can provide any name. Yeah, I'm giving you Arham ECS demo cluster. Okay, and just keep it default name as option. So it is automatically taking from this cluster name. Infrastructure, you can also read here if you have a time. Your cluster automatically configured for AWS Fargate with two capacity providers. Add Amazon EC2 instance or external instance using ECS anywhere. Okay, so AWS Fargate, it is used for the capacity configurations in ECS clusters. It is just saying that you can also add Amazon EC2 instances here for manual configurations as well. So I'm selecting both here and just proceed ahead. Okay, it will automatically, this ECS cluster will automatically create an auto scaling group. On the basis of that auto scaling group, uh, we can control this EC2 instance creation, which we select as an this for large workloads or some more resource demands. Okay, so I'm just going with on demand creation of auto scaling group. And then it is asking for operating system architecture, EC2 instance types and all. Okay, so just select operating system architecture, just click on this. Here you can select Amazon Linux 2023 as well, the latest one, whatever you want, but I am going with Amazon Linux 2. Then it is asking to select EC2 instance. So as per industrial demand and workloads, we can select different AMI, different AMI. You can see this C5. This is for computing purpose, and it is providing 48 CPU and 96 GB memory. But I will go with for cost saving purpose and free tier eligibility purpose, I will be going with T3. You can see this T3 dot micro is free tier eligible. So it's just for example, I am showing you. You guys, as per in the industry, in your manager or your senior manager will ask you to create, use this kind of EC2 instances on the basis of their workloads. Okay, on the basis of that, you can select your EC2 instance type. Then desired capacity and the maximum capacity. So here is specify the number of instances to launch in your cluster. Okay, so minimum means one when you will start your clusters, then that amount of EC2 instances will be running. Okay, so for now we can keep it 0. Maximum means maximum anything you can put, like 100 or 200 or 300 on the basis of workloads of your infrastructure. Okay, so but right now we are not going beyond that. We can keep it 4. Okay, and we can keep minimum value as 0. We are not, I will show you in the auto scaling group how we can register our EC2 instances directly, because it's a sorry friends, I get disconnected, get some network fluctuation. Let me share my screen. Yeah, so we were here, we were discussing this disaster capacity. So minimum means like with the readiness of these clusters, we will require how many EC2 instances, EC2 container services. Okay, so here we will keep this 0. I will show you later on in auto scaling group. SSH KPR, we are not like, if you do not specify KPR, you can't connect to the instances via SSH and AMI. So if you wanted to connect to a container instances, then in that case you can select SSH KPR. But in our case, we are not going to connect that EC2 instance. So we can keep here this none, so KPR as none. Root EBS volume, this is a default volume, but you can select minimum value of 30 GB for till 16 384 GB, which is allowed root EBS volumes. Then go down and network settings. In this network setting, you can select your VPC in which you wanted to create this ECS clusters, and then subnets, all 3 subnets for high availability. You can select security groups. You can create, you can select a new existing security group, or if you wanted to create a new security group, just create a new security group. So I'm going to create a new security group. Give a security group name. I can say ECS cluster security group, security group. Descriptions we can keep saved or anything. Inbound rules for security group, we can select here what kind of traffic we wanted to allow on our Elastic Container service. So here I can select this HTTP. Source should be anywhere. Okay. Monitoring and this tag option, we can leave it for now. Just go and create this ECS clusters. So friends, it will take some times. You can see here cluster Arham ECS demo creation is in progress, and it is showing no clusters to display here. Cluster is 0. So it will take some time. So meanwhile, if you wanted to see like how this ECS is creating or setting up, you can go to this view in cloud formation. So you can see uh, AWS in the backend runs different cloud formation stack here. So friends, yeah, you can see here different events are happening. You can minimize this, maximize this. Oh, sorry. You can see this ECS creations is associated with all these events. Multiple things are create in progress. Infrastructure ECS clusters, demo security group ECS clusters. All these are in creation state, in progress state. So now this is complete. Create complete. Okay, you can go here and refresh your page. You can see this Arham ECS demo clusters. So these clusters, this is just an ECS Elastic Container Service clusters, and it is not having any services, any task or anything. You can see here in the down in the bottom that it is asking, it is having 0 services, task is 0, no task is attached to these clusters. Infrastructure sections, which is a very important sections in this ECS. You can see here this capacity providers is 3 things: forget a spot, and infra. These two are like, you can see these two are in a freeze state. It means it is provided by AWS. We do not need to take care of all these things, but you can see here this infrastructure ECS cluster Arham capacity provider is a open one, and it's created by creating this ECS Elastic Container Service. You can see here this very things like, right, current size is 0, desired is 0, minimum is 0, maximum is 4. Okay, and if you go down, you can see this container instances is 0, means no container has been registered to this container instances. Okay, if you go to this auto scaling group, you can see here it is an ASG. If you click on this auto scaling group, it will landed you over on the auto scaling group. You can see here this auto scaling groups just gets created, and different activity of this auto scaling group. You can see there is no activity, auto scaling is 0, instance management and everything you can see from this auto scaling group. Monitoring, okay, nothing is there. You can see, you can go to the detail sections, and let me edit this. Okay, I will show you one thing. You can see container instances is 0. Okay, so let me make desired capacity is 1. Okay, you can see how fast it will create an EC2 instances, and it will automatically register this instances with our elastic container service. All these things are interlinked, means auto scaling group are attached with our ECS clusters. Whenever we increase this capacity, desired capacity for this containerized environment, it will automatically register our EC2 instance into this container instance services. I will also show you guys how we can create different services and different tasks. So to create any services, first we need to define the task. Okay. So task will have each and every details. Okay. Services will contain the task. So basically, to create any task can be a multiple things, but a service can be only one service. Okay. Services contains multiple tasks. Okay, or one task can define anything. In the task, inside this task, you have to define different desired state of your task. Okay, so let me see. You can see this instances gets ready and its life cycle is in service. It means it is in used, and it is in used with ECS launch template. Okay, template is ECS launch template. Status is healthy. You can go here and refresh this page. Infrastructure, go to the infrastructure sections. You can see here this container instances is 1. It means it is automatically get attached to our ECS clusters, and whenever we will make this desired state to 0, then it will be in the 0 state. So automatically it will registered with ECS clusters. Just go to this here and don't forget to make this 0, because it will ultimately cost you a lot. Make it 3. No, I will demonstrate these things in our next lecture. So this is it for today's session, friends. Happy learning, keep enjoying, keep learning, and happy new year to all of you. And in this year I will try to upload some more good content videos. So please do like, subscribe, and uh, give your feedback if I'm lacking in anything, and I will try to improve those areas for you guys, and keep uploading good content, good hands-on lab practical demo lectures to this Arham Tech Labs channels. And coming forward, going forward, definitely I'm also going to upload very good stuffs on DevOps, like this Terraform, Kubernetes things also I'm going to upload for you guys, and many more, like Azure DevOps series. I'm also planning to upload hands-on labs, creation of deployment pipeline, creation of infrastructure, creation pipeline, creation of this build pipeline, and everything I'm going to upload on this channel. So thank you, friends. Keep learning, and I hope this new year will be very good year for you guys, and you will be definitely, you will be remain in anywhere, then definitely success will always be with you guys. So thank you very much, and keep learning. Happy learning. Thank you very much.